Today we're making a black bean and corn salsa to kill for. All your ingredients right here: your black beans, your Mexicorn, green taco, Kinder's hot sauce, the Badia lime pepper, a bunch of shallots, some lime, and these are roasted peppers that we peeled, roasted sweet peppers. Now we mix. Throw in the roasted peppers. Throw in a can of your beans. Put in your Mexicorn. Love the Mexicorn because it's got the extra little bell peppers in it. And it might seem like a lot of shallots, but trust me on this, they're like the best part of this, other than the the beans and the corn. Give it a good squeeze of lime. Ooh yeah. I usually do the whole lime because why not? Because it's so yummy. More lime. More lime. Oh yeah. Now, this stuff right here, this is one of my favorite things in the world. It goes really well in this salsa. And then for an extra little kick of lime and pepper, throw in your lime pepper. And of course, you also need to add a little bit of salt. And then mix. You don't need to do anything too fancy with this because it's a salsa. Oh.
Dumbass!
Yeah, that's all right. It'll still eat. And if you make a mess like I just did, hopefully your surface is clean like mine, and you can throw it right back in there. And then get you a chip. Oh yeah. Yeah. Put some cilantro in there too. Yeah, you'll have to play with this a few times. Trust me, this is one of the best salsas you can make. Could stand to have a little more of that roasted pepper in there. I just didn't have more than two. Them little sweet peppers. But let me tell you, it's one of the best things you'll ever eat. Enjoy.